Soldering table bus. The first thing I do is get a clamp and securely clamp the table bus to my workbench. And then I get my jumper that I've already made and line it up with the table bus, and use another clamp with a popsicle stick to hold it in place. Then I get everything all lined up so I'm in the middle of each one of the conductors. Then I'll grab my soldering iron and I will hold the wire down on the table bus and then just give it enough solder to get it to flow, get all the stranded conductors bonded together, get it bonded to the table bus. Doesn't take a whole lot. Then once you have it flowed in, the next step is that you grab another wood stick. This one stirs coffee, and hold it in place. And then you can remove the soldering iron, and it cools fast enough so it doesn't jump out at you.